Hello everyone. In this video, we'll go through a step-by-step process using Tableau to build a highlight table to show profit data. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the starter file in Tableau. Step 2. Create a text table that shows market and regional profits by category and subcategory. From the data pane, drag market and region to columns, with region to the right of market. From the data pane, drag category and subcategory to rows, with subcategory to the right of category. From the data pane, drag profit to the view, and drop it when the area showing ABC text is highlighted in black and Show Me appears. Now, to reveal patterns or outliers in the profit data, create a highlight table that shows profit by color. On the marks card, use Ctrl plus drag to drag a copy of sum, profit on text to color. On the marks card, change the mark type to square. Note that changing the mark type to square also changed text to label. Let's add row totals to see which subcategories were the most and least profitable overall. On the analysis menu, point to totals and click Show Row Grand Totals. On the marks card, click Color and then click Edit Colors. In the Edit Colors dialog box, select Include Totals. To save the changes and close the dialog box, click OK. Note that adding color to the totals column dilutes all of the other colors in the highlight table. Feel free to explore further and create insightful visualizations with your updated data. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy analyzing!